Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MariaDB DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn schedule an auto backup script of MariaDB for all databases in a single file in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So here we'll write the backup script and we'll just schedule that backup script for the particular date and time or particular date, particular time and the cron job for the database backup, and the backup will be made in the single file and we'll zip the file to with the using zip. So here is the step-by-step guide to schedule an auto backup script for MariaDB in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS using Cron. So we need a Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS. I'm running the server with the VMware workstation. My server is ready. So now I'm going to access that server. Sorry. So SSH DPT, my username 192.168.224.129. This is the IP of my server. So I'm going to access the server. So my server is ready now and I'm able to access. Now side by side I'm going to do that. So install MariaDB on Ubuntu server. So firewall configuration is optional. Now I'm going to check my firewall status. So this is inactive. I need to allow my SSH, and if you want to access the database from the another server, so you have to allow the database port what is the running. So default port for the MariaDB is 3306. I'm going to allow this one. Now rule is updated. Now I'm going to enable the Ubuntu firewall. So yes, so firewall is active, enable in the system startup. Okay, done. So next, update the system packages. So first ensure your system is up to date. So I'm going to update and upgrade. So update and upgrade is done. So already system is upgraded and updated in few days ago. So I'm not getting any updates, new updates. So next I'm going to install the MariaDB server. So for that, sudo apt install MariaDB server, enter, give the permission yes. So installation is started. Installation is done. Now I'm going to check the MariaDB version. So I'm running with the MariaDB version 15.1 and 10 point distrib is 10.11.8. So next, secure the MariaDB installation. So I'm running the security script. So enter your current password. We don't have any password. Switch the Unix socket authentication. Yes. Change the root password. Yes. I'm going to give it some password. Remove anonymous user. Disallow remote logins. So yes. Remove the test databases. Yes. And now I'm going to reload the privilege table now. Yes. So thanks for using MariaDB. So we have done this one. Next, enable and start the MariaDB service. So enable and started. Now I'm going to set the root password. put your password and login. Alter user root and localhost. Identified with password. So I'm running this one. Done. Plus privileges. Whatever the changes we have done, I'm going to just apply those changes. So done. Next, create the test database table and insert some data from the testing purpose. So already we are logged in, so no need to do this one. Now I'm going to create one database, create database test underscore db. So databases. So there is a test db. Now I'm going to use the test db. So here previously it was none. Now it's changed to test db. Now I'm going to create a table. So there is simple command for the creating table. Employee ID is integer type auto increment, that is the primary key. Name is varchar 100, not null. Department varchar 50, salary decimal 10 to, and created a timestamp. So copy this and paste and done. So already done this one. Now I'm going to insert some data and select extract from employees. So you can able to see whatever the data we have inserted, the data is inserted to the particular table. Now I'm going to create one more database. So this is my second database, and here I'll write use test underscore db2. So then previously it was at test db, now it changed to test db2. Okay. Now here also I'm going to create one table, that is customer table. So then going to insert some data for the testing purpose. So all inserted. Now running the query, you can able to see 5 data is inserted. Going to exit from the MariaDB. So second part is that backup configuration. So here we'll just do the step-by-step process guide to create a backup script and schedule using Cron. Now I'm going to create a directory. So directory name is where backups and MariaDB, and giving the permission for that backup with the MariaDB ownership, and permission is 700. So done. Now I'm going to create a file. That file name is MariaDB backups.sh. So after that, I'm going to insert this code. So line by line we'll go the code. This is a script, and there is a variable. So backup directory is where backups and MariaDB. Just now we created this folder, and I'm taking the date and timestamps. Backup file, backup directory, and MariaDB backup and date and .sql. I'm giving user is equal to root, password is equal to default whatever the password we have inserted. And MySQL dump minus username. So username will be the root, password will be the password, and all databases and backup file. So compress the backup. So gunzip, and we'll just backup file. We'll just compress whatever the backup file is created for the today. That backup file will be zip here. And remove the backup older than 7 days. So find the backup, type is equal to name, and start dot this whatever the extension we are creating, and m time plus 7, and ex remove. So particular file will be removed which is older than 7 days. So this is the code. Now going to give the permission for the executable execute permission. This one also done. And now I'm going to schedule the backup with the cron job. So nano, I'm going to open with the nano, control and here I'm going to write the code for the auto backup. Let me check the date time. So this is a Feb 26, 12, 23 and 38. So 12, I'm going to edit again this file. This is 0 and here I'm going to give 26. Okay. Now going to start the cron job slash etc cron restart. So job is restarted. Now let me check the scheduling. So there is a 0, 26 minute. It will run this one and go to this particular path. Okay, manually I'm going to run and test first. Let me go to this path. We don't have any data now. Okay. Now manually I'm going to run this code and going to create a database backup. So done. LL, you can able to see MariaDB backup and date and time is given there. Okay. Size is something. Next. Okay. So 1225 is there. Wait for some time. So automatic one more backup will be created. So we have given the time. Forty-nine, 53, 54. Time is done. So backup is created. See exactly that time 00226 we got the one another backup. Okay, backup size is same because data is we have same data. Now I'm going to gunzip extract the file 00226. Okay, so we have done ll. So zip file is extract now. So this, see, there is a size, this size du minus sh 2.9 MB and du minus sh MariaDB 25. So this is size 512 KB and this one size is 2.4 MB, means approx more than 1/4 each zip the file. Okay, so got the zip file in that much it's small. Now I'm going to get this one and let me check the data. So here you can able to see. So their current database is testdb. Inside the testdb, use the testdb and create the employee table. After employee table, there is a employee table data is there. Similarly, testdb2 is there, and here is the customer table and customer data is there. And current database is MySQL, another database is MySQL, and whatever the MySQL parameters are there, table is there. So all the things are there. So all the databases is backup in only single file. Okay. So in this video we have learned schedule and auto backup script of MariaDB for the all databases in the single file on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and your MariaDB backup script now schedule and you run and delete your time, whatever the time we have given. Okay. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Please follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.